Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Wednesday, the 8th of November. This is your daily recap. The market today really was very quiet. Um, we talk about what's going on here, and you know, uh, everybody got worried with bad action. Yeah, the action was bad, but we didn't go anywhere. We traded within yesterday's candle. We never even took out yesterday's low. They could have killed us right here around noon. And no, they brought us right back up. And when you look at the daily candle here, and you can see here, we have this cup handle that's formed here, maybe a handle forming now. Again, we needed a day of rest. And, we still put a new high, a new range high today. And the market just doesn't want to give it up. And this market's very strong. Volume's low. It's very, very quiet here. And, there's not a lot going on. And to me, the market wants to go higher. It's just a question of how long it's going to take before it goes. Things are catching up. The 8 days coming up, the 21 days coming up. We haven't even, we're not even testing the 50-day today. I mean, we could have come down here, tested this gap, 50-day. No. So we're sitting here with this area of this little gap that is still needs to be filled. And, we filled most of it here, not quite all of it. Most of it's filled. And, the market looks like it's ready to move here again sooner than later. Not a lot going on. There's not a lot to talk about when you get a market like this. When you're asking what's in play, what's not, well, it's kind of one of those days. Lilly, nice day extending here, almost back to all-time highs. We talked about names. Roblex had a big beat, and it just had no power today. And for us, we didn't trade it today. Why? Within our rules, it never met our parameters of the rules once the market opened. And here it is just trading. It's still probably going to be strong at some point, but right now it's just weak. That's fine. No big deal. AMD gave a nice opening trade but couldn't hold it. I am, been lightening up. I've sold 3/4 of my AMD position. I bought down here, down lower here on earnings day, on the day after earnings on 109. And I'll be looking to load back up if it keeps coming down. But here was your big 15-minute push, and down it came, and it lost its power. No big deal. Microsoft said, "Yeah, I had some power today," and look at this thing. You know, one, two, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days in a row. It's up now. Outside the Bollinger Band, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row. All-time high is 366 and change. This thing has no quit. Apple, despite everybody saying how bad earnings were, look at this thing, still extending here today. Gets above this area right now. This one, this little area right here it's in. It doesn't have much resistance here. It could run. Yep, Amazon got drilled today, no doubt about it, but it was overdue for a down day. Meta trying to get back above 320. That's a big level. Above that, it can run to 330 plus. Google today showed a lot of relative strength here, pushing further into that gap. That 50-day is calling it at 133.72. NVIDIA had a big day. Relative strength, broke this downtrend, held it, now breaking out. Now it just needs to clear this candle over here at 476.09, and this has room to run. So, everybody wants to get down on the market. It's holding in fine. I dumped the last of my D-Dog for a small loss today. I trimmed my square today that I was sitting in, made money on that. I'm still in a bunch. I'm in the Gen 60 calls. That's got room to run. Nice move there. And overall, they're just kind of rotating names here, and they're allowing the oscillators to cool off. And sometimes that's all that really matters. I was a little under weather today, so didn't do much in the way of trading. But, you can see the oscillators now, look at this, from plus 300 all the way to plus 107 now and 140. So, we're back in here. We've cooled off nicely. Whether it's tomorrow or Friday, we'll see. We got Powell speaking tomorrow, but the market looks like it's ready to take the next leg up in the next couple of days. You guys have a great night. I'll catch everybody bright and early in the morning. Staying late with you guys for earnings tonight. We have Disney coming up.